Keep your kids active and motivated with the Fitbit Ace 3, featuring all-day activity tracking, sleep monitoring, fun clock faces, and up to 8 days of battery life in a durable, swim-proof design. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Fitbit Ace 3 activity tracker, charging cable, and user manual. How to pair. To pair the Fitbit Ace 3, first download and open the Fitbit app on your phone, then create or sign into a parent account and enter your child's details to set up their profile. Turn on Bluetooth, then select the Fitbit Ace 3 in the app when it appears. A pin will appear on the tracker screen. Enter it in the app to complete pairing. Once connected, the tracker automatically syncs the time and guides you through a quick tutorial on using the touchscreen, swiping through stats like steps, activity, sleep, and battery level, and accessing timers, alarms, and settings using the side buttons. How to charge. Plug the charging cable into a USB port, then attach it to the tracker by aligning the pins. Once connected, it will vibrate and show the battery level. A full charge takes about 2 hours, and when the battery icon is full, it's ready to use. Smart features? Helps kids stay active by tracking steps, movement, and active minutes throughout the entire day. It encourages healthy habits by showing progress in a simple and motivating way on the device and app. Monitors how long and how well kids sleep each night. It helps build healthy sleep habits by showing sleep duration and patterns in an easy-to-understand report. Up to 8 days battery life lets kids use the tracker for almost a week without charging. It ensures continuous activity tracking so they don't miss steps, sleep data, or daily progress. Swim-proof design allows kids to wear the tracker while swimming, showering, or playing in water without damage. It's built to handle everyday splashes and active outdoor use safely. Kid-friendly app and reward system makes fitness fun with badges, challenges, and animated clock faces. It motivates kids to stay active by turning daily movement into rewards and achievements they can enjoy. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Fitbit Ace 3 activity tracker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Ace 3 activity tracker. See you at the next one.